Hey, I was here for like 5 minutes. Like,
oh, I don't know how you got here.
All right, we are here. I don't know what the place is called.
I think it's called Tennessee Pit.
Tennessee Pit. Okay, so we got me, we got Travis.
What's that?
We got Brandon in the back. We got Sledge. We got Jaleel, and we got Cam. We're gonna get us some food. This is Food Truck Fridays. It's not really a food truck. It is Friday, nigga.
It is a food truck.
It's Friday, nigga. We release them on Friday.
you right.
He said, we right.
Yeah, you right, man.
Come here, man. Let the Hollywood.
Like a peach. I already got that thing.
And look, see it right here.
You know when they bump in the music, it's
yeah, that's how it was at the other one too.
Yeah,
like,
it was.
Music going nuts. Hey.
I didn't think the music was bumping the music.
He said this isn't good music. Sound like Jay-Z.
That's my point.
He said, give it to me. This is my song too. Yeah, we can't say this isn't good music. This is your song.
They said it's not that great.
No, it's not. But I appreciate the love though. Actually, where could we eat at? I'm looking around. What version is this?
The disco version.
Like, what version of that song is this?
They got me.
I'm trying to think where we can eat at. Sledge, is it good music now?
Everybody immediately looked at Sledge.
Everybody looked at Sledge. Is it good music?
I don't like hip hop.
And house music. And house music, yeah.
You be like, hey, what do you say, Dave Chappelle? Hey, turn that shit off. Hey,
shut the fuck up.
Hey.
I'm going to hell.
Why? Yeah, because me and him, we're sharing what we get. So we're gonna get. I'm still gonna get something.
No, you go ahead and do your thing. What you getting?
Let me get a half pound of brisket. I really don't even want a half pound. You got a smaller than a half?
We got a sandwich, it's $10.
I don't want the sandwich. What kind of bread do you have?
Just I mean,
I need one at a time, though. All right, is it all the same order?
No,
This one right here.
Okay, so I'll take your order first.
I have the full pork.
Okay, let me do a
We have no pulled pork right now, so.
Cross full pork off the list.
full pork off the list.
Yes.
All right, so you
they're out of full pork. So we're gonna do a pound then. We said full pound?
Yeah, for the wings and the ribs.
Yeah, we can do that then. That's fine.
Cool. Is there anything else on there you want?
No, not really. I just want that mac and cheese.
Barbecue sauce.
Okay. We'll go get collard greens too then.
It better.
Red, we have red. I think all we have left is orange.
Okay.
Rib tip and
Yeah, just orange and purple. I wanted red too.
That's what I wanted too. I was decided. Okay, this food about to be good then. That's right. Every time.
He said that nigga rude, so you know that food about to be good. I am weak.
This is my jam.
This is my jam.
Me and your granny go back to this.
You said me. You said you and my granny go back to this?
Not your granny, they granny.
Oh, I just said my granny. I was like, dang, he's roasting early.
Man, only granny.
I hope
Oh, I
not.
hope not. I got $18 for this. I don't even think I got that much.
I don't know how much it is. I got some ones on me. Speaking of ones, I guess you go to the
What? Yeah. Yo, you gonna be a Michigan.
What? Yeah, up in Michigan. Yeah, because
Is that our food right there?
they haven't even ordered yet.
He's like, yeah, what are you? Okay.
I'll tell you about that in a minute. Y'all should have stayed in line. Single file, you would have got skipped.
I'm gonna get pulled pork.
Skipping them all.
Yeah, because he said that people were going over here to these people because they're not in a single file line. I was like, my bad.
This food about to be good. Tom, bagging it up.
Can we get 2 more and then just like a little bit of extra napkins? Yep. Thank you.
I don't know if it recorded or not, but we got chicken wings. We got the pork ribs, not the tips, but the ribs. Then we got the mac and cheese. You said what?
We got the tips, it was cheaper.
Yeah, no, but the actual ribs are better than the tips.
Take your drink.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. All right then.
You see the niggas are all over there being niggas.
Thought you wasn't eating.
Over there eating corn and shit.
Corn don't count. Corn is food, motherfucker.
He's in there eating a big ass sandwich and shit.
That was disrespectful.
Hey, just this.
You just need some pepper.
Yeah, I need some pepper, but it's good though. It's good? What all y'all get?
I got brisket and some ribs.
Ribs. Was
That
it
shit good?
It was hitting?
Yeah, they was hitting like a motherfucker.
Oh, my fault.
They wasn't hitting like Tyson, but they was hitting like Bernard Hopkins.
He said it wasn't that heavy as a hit, but it was hitting.
That cornbread moist to the motherfucker.
Oh, we didn't get no cornbread.
I was about to say, we didn't get any cornbread.
I like
Cornbread got my mouth wet.
Mac and cheese good. This mac and cheese don't hit like that last one. Put me on the camera, motherfucker.
He said, "Put me on the camera."
This one don't hit like that one over there in Canal. That what was it? Open pit?
You said what? Pulled chicken?
On my way. Say less, brother.
They got onions in it?
I'm gonna say he did.
You got onions in it?
He got 3 shades darker.
Ben told you on less than. You don't listen.
I'm about to take my
Oh, this mac and cheese is good.
It's good. It's not good like the other one was.
Yeah, it's not as good as the other one, but it is good.
Try that other one. That other one, you know, that other one looks like it's good. It got like the demeanor.
Yeah,
Like, come here, nigga. So you want good food?
it's like
Oh, bro.
like this a bad bitch, but the other one's a confident bad bitch. You know what I'm saying?
What the fuck are we listening to?
I can't judge the Faygo because I live all my life drinking Faygo. So
Hey, that Faygo, I'm paying for that. I ain't missing shit.
yeah, I'm about to say I've drank it all my life. So that's ooh. Oh no, don't do that.
Got a camera shot.
It did. It's like So nah. Yeah, put them pants down. this OnlyFans. It's the OnlyFans ribs.
He had the audacity to ask me about one of the sauce on my ribs and my wings.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like,
I said, yes, sir.
like, yeah. Yes, sir. Of course we want that. Ooh. Them ribs and them wings look flavorful. You want to try a wing together or rib first?
Let's do the rib first.
Rib first.
I'm gonna grab it
Okay.
right here.
Oh, I spilled some. Dang it. That mess is tough. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's very tough.
Once again, it's good. But that other place is better. Here's the thing you gotta know about me with this Food Truck Friday. When you gonna go to a barbecue place, I'm gonna compare it to all the barbecue places. We're gonna go to a taco place, I'm comparing it to all the taco places.
Exactly.
Y'all ain't gotta try everywhere. Because I will. I'm doing it for you, brother.
Yeah, it's good though. It is good. Only thing I would say the only downside of it is it's tough. At least that piece was. I'm trying
But
to.
I think you got a bad piece.
Yeah, that bitch was better. It was just that first initial bite.
Also, what this stuff got sauce on it, and that other place beat it without sauce.
That is true. But I feel like they made their own sauce.
It ain't that good though. Let me make some sauce for you. We're gonna do a special food truck Friday at my house, and I'm gonna make some ribs.
I'll try them.
And you're gonna be like, fuck all them ribs you ever had. I'm telling you, put that bitch back on. I make the ribs in this motherfucker, okay?
I'm gonna try them for sure.
I'm serious though, once this movie wraps.
You gonna do the wing?
Oh yeah, let me grab a wing. Once this movie wraps, I'm gonna have a little party. So get together.
I'm about to say, I'm down. I'm gonna eat good too.
You ready?
Yep. That's good. That's good.
They got a little spice to it too. I like
I was just about to say it has a kick. That's really good.
Hey, and y'all motherfuckers want to try some wings?
You want wing? Well, come over here.
Yeah, you gotta come to me. I ain't getting that this time.
Julia,
These wings hit different though.
Julia, what you get?
I had the pork chips and mac and cheese.
What would you rate it? Like, was it good? Was it?
I was a 10.
No, you got thumbs up,
Just a
thumbs down,
10?
or middle finger. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Okay.
Hey, look, listen. The service was trash. That's how I knew this food was about to slap.
I think this was better than the place. Yeah.
It's good though.
These wings bringing this place all the way.
If we had this first, we'd be like, oh, this shit fire. Then we get the other one, like, hey, this is better.
Yeah. Go ahead and get what you need, brother.
Everything we sure did.
Got a lot.
With the sauce,
Just saying the sauce dripping. Want to get your first bite on camera?
I don't know which one I want to do.
Yeah.
When they good?
Yeah, go get some one.
Oh, my ass.
It's fire.
Still alive though.
Let's see what this is in.
You can taste the smoke on it.
Good wing. I'm saying, you can tell they made their own sauce. It's hitting.
So my chicken's still alive though.
You got real.
You nasty.
You getting the wing, Jalil?
Huh?
You getting the wing?
Oh, that ain't nothing but a product.
What'd you say?
That
Wing,
ain't nothing
you
but a
want a
product.
wing? Yeah, I'm done. He's taking a walk back.
Kind of a bust down though.
What the fuck did you just say?
You were real thick in that motherfucking
I look thick.
real thick in that video.
Is this your rib or is that my rib?
You said
What?
what?
Yours. I ate all mine.
Okay. Yeah, it's definitely house music.
You know this music? Huh? Wow, I thought K.I. knew who the fuck this nigga was on the fucking.
So,
Is that pork ribs y'all got?
Yeah.
Alright, got that.
okay, so you want a wing? Get your wing.
No,
So
you want one fat ass?
I was here so you can get your review. I'm weak. Can if you want to go get your rib?
Get his ass out the way.
What I'm saying.
Damn, he just big as that.
What I'm saying. What'd you think? What'd you think? Oh wow. This nigga done changed religions.
Did you swallow it whole?
He said.
Spit out the bone.
Ugh. All right, so we tried everything, right? Okay. So we're gonna do a rating. The rating is thumbs up, thumbs down, middle finger. So wait,
I don't think that's
you said you got thumbs up for everything, Brandon? What else you have?
I got the pulled chicken and the mac and cheese.
Pulled chicken, mac and cheese. Let me get a piece of pulled chicken. Let me get a piece of pulled chicken. No, I didn't get a piece. Hey, the wings right now might be the best thing they got.
I don't know, this brisket ain't bad.
The brisket.
Don't speak too soon. That's a little bit down there.
Is it down here?
Yeah, that's all it is.
That's one little piece.
That's a... Oh, good, ain't it?
Hey, that chicken good.
Bring that over here.
But that chicken good.
Let me try it one more time. Let me try it one more day.
I was saying, I mean, that's good.
It's good.
It's good, baby D. It's good. Right.
Play with Baby D that whole goddamn segment.
Yeah, what do you think?
Okay, so you gave everything a thumbs up, Brandon? So, Sledge, what do you give everything? But thumbs up, thumbs sorry, thumbs down, middle finger?
Hell no. You
Thumbs up. Where you going with it, Jalil? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Thumbs up. Cam, what you going with? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Alright, you know I got the hot takes and unpopular opinions. It was gonna be a middle thumb just because they don't compare to the other one. But these fucking wings and that pulled chicken.
That's good. Because the other one was an award-winning spot we went to.
Yeah, true.
So this is good. This is still far. It's not like it's...
Yeah. But like I said, I'll be comparing you to these other motherfuckers in your neighborhood.
Yeah, exactly. This is right down the street.
These niggas just woke up and said, let's start a food truck.
Exactly. This is good though. I think everything I had was good. I think the best thing was the
Bud
food.
Light. If he drinking a Bud Light, that shit bang.
Exactly. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up for everything.
Is that a Budweiser? Is that a Budweiser? Yep, I knew that shit was good. That's how I knew the food was gonna be good. My nigga got a beer.
So we're gonna give everything a thumbs up. The pulled chicken is the best thing, and the wings.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, that shit good, boy.
Yeah, the wings. Yeah, I was the wings the best thing.
So y'all want the chicken was good. Y'all want to go for it?
I would have gone for it.
Hey.
All right.
Hey now.
All right, we ate good. We on the way back home now. We're gonna end it right here. Keep it
tight. Keep it tight.